Today, we're diving into an essential topic for every eco-conscious gardener out there: how to make homemade organic fertilizer. This process is not just simple and cost-effective, but it's also a fantastic way to reduce waste and nurture your garden naturally. Let's start by understanding what organic fertilizer is. At its core, organic fertilizer is made from natural sources, including plant, animal, and mineral products. Its main advantage is that it not only feeds your plants, but also improves your soil's health over time. The journey to creating your homemade organic fertilizer begins right in your kitchen with composting. Composting is the process of recycling organic kitchen wastes like fruit peels, vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and eggshells. By compiling these materials in a compost bin and allowing them to decompose, you create a rich, nutrient-dense compost that works wonders as a fertilizer. But let's not stop there. Another valuable ingredient for our homemade organic fertilizer is worm castings. Worm castings, or vermicompost, are produced by earthworms digesting organic matter. You can start a simple worm bin at home to produce these castings. The result is a super nutrient-rich fertilizer that plants love. Now, for those who have a bit more space, creating a green manure crop is another powerful method. This involves growing plants like clover, alfalfa, or beans, and then tilling them back into the soil. These green manures add nitrogen, a critical nutrient, back into the soil, enhancing its structure and fertility without the need for chemical fertilizers. Let's not forget about liquid fertilizers. You can make an effective liquid fertilizer by steeping compost in water for a few days, creating a compost tea. This can be directly applied to the soil or sprayed on the leaves as a foliar feed, providing a quick nutrient boost. In conclusion, making homemade organic fertilizer is a rewarding process that benefits your garden, your wallet, and the planet. By using kitchen scraps, worm castings, green manures, and compost teas, you can produce a variety of nutrient-rich fertilizers that will keep your garden thriving all year round. Thank you for watching. Remember, sustainable gardening practices not only help in creating a beautiful garden, but also in building a healthier environment. By making your homemade organic fertilizer, you're taking an important step towards a more sustainable future. Happy gardening!